Greetings and salutations. Once again, the professor is back with another director's overview. Again, I cannot thank you guys enough for supporting the Bartender, for supporting Xpressionz JA YouTube channel, and also for telling me through your comments and your likes that this was a very good idea to do an overview, just to give you some more insight on what the director intentions are and some of the things that you might even add to this process. So now I'll be looking at death report. Let's go.
Here goes that ambition again. Manager. Wow, you upgrade yourself.
May I come in, Carter?
Boom.
Maxi,
Dr. Grant is back.
how you get past security?
That's besides the point. This is important and we need to talk. We can't talk out here in the hallway of your penthouse. Can I come in?
Thank you. Carlton is always wary of Dr. Grant, right? There's a kind of love-hate relationship between both of them.
Maxine, Trevor, Maxine. Trevor was just leaving.
Carlton, you can't just expect me to leave with such beautiful ladies standing there.
So once again, Trevor is giving you different layers of his character.
We need to talk.
The man who can be the comic, the man who can be the gallus,
Trevor.
and the man who can be the devious businessman.
Okay. I'm going back to work. And I hope that there's no fire hazard. Hope to see you again pretty soon.
Pause for the cause. Now, as a director, you have to also look at who you have in the space, the persons that's sharing a scene. Now, in this particular scene, I have three very strong characters who can play hardcore drama. I mean, I talk about method acting. So we have Carlton, we have Dr. Grant, we have Trevor. Between Carlton and Trevor, they're ruthless businessmen, they develop the development business. Dr. Grant, who is a doctor, but who is now in politics. Now, if we make a scene like this interesting, so we don't have the three characters playing the same type of role, we layer them. So Carlton is more anxious, if you notice. Dr. Grant is here to give some news based on the fact that she don't know if Carlton know yet. And Carlton and Trevor are play the moving from competition mode with Carlton to gallus mode with Dr. Grant. Now that is what makes the scene interesting without you even realizing that that is what is done. But that was very intentional. Let's move on.
Carlton, think about what we talked about. Have a good day.
Trevor, for throwing the next elbow.
Okay. Interesting.
Maxine, what is it?
So Carlton mind all over the place.
Heard what?
I'm gonna try to figure out what Trevor up to. We want to know why Dr. Grant is here.
Maxine, why are you here?
I think you need to sit down for this one.
I'd rather stand.
This is not time for one of your ego tantrums, Carlton. This is serious. Please sit down so I can tell you why I am here.
Alright. If you must. Because you've always been so melodramatic.
So the scene work because
Action.
of the two different energies that is being pushed. Dr. Grant is being very deliberate in our delivery. Carlton is very anxious.
Have you heard the news?
Just tell me what you tell me and go on.
This is news? Because that's the only news I listen.
And Dr. Grant
the
is saying,
news
just be
about
patient.
Michelle.
What
Have
about
you
Michelle?
please be considerate before we deliver this.
Oh my God, you really don't know.
Hold on. Everybody come to talk riddles and parables today. Get to the point, Maxine.
This is called playing a beat or playing a moment.
Have you heard from Marcus?
Maxine? What is it?
Carlton, I don't know how to bring this to you, but Michelle is
Yo, the two after them,
Michelle is dead.
give me a beautiful moment. Boom!
This was. You're right. You're very right. Just have to them cross. Make them carry it themselves.
So moving from an
don't need to
intense
think about this.
scene with Bubbles beating up herself
Yo, sick.
So smoothing it out.
Me get take off of the case then.
and going back to that
Yo,
theme of
but if you pay the security company,
friendship
you mind no more.
and loyalty.
No. I worry about that, boss.
What do you mean, which was?
Check it out since recently.
That's why you're my right hand.
They have no recruits. They would have training and all of that, and we make sure that the training is well.
And the security them are go, you know, no.
Yeah, man. Everything's set.
Boy, if you never feel you, they keep me grounded all the time in a youth.
That is it.
Pause for the cause. So we will always give a little more context as we move along. There's a strong relationship between Bubbles and Whisper. And what you all don't know yet is the true backstory of why Whisper is so loyal to Bubbles and why Bubbles really check for Whisper so much. It's not a relationship. You can see that this is mutual respect, and this is what keeps you, the audience members, engaged. You want to know ultimately what brought this friendship together, this union. So as we go along, you get bits and pieces of what strengthened this friendship.
You have to remember, say you do that for me too, you know, boss. I whole it more, you know. Half has never been told.
You're the only for me too. You keep me sane.
Mutual respect.
You think me I lose my mind. Let me ask you a question. You're not gonna look for her since the last time.
It's always about a guessing game. Me have to do my due diligence, the fact that I'm doing a series. It'll burn out if it is just comedic and, you know, frivolous. So I have to tell stories, I have to give backstories, I have to develop characters. That is what it is about. That is what keeps you interested in the Bartender. Listen, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. See you on the next side.